Hey, welcome back to First Time Feast. Thanks for tuning in to the last video on our breakfast burrito and breaking in the Blackstone. On today's cook, I'm going to show you how to clean a Blackstone. This thing is filthy from our last use. So what we're going to do, we're going to fire it up. We're going to show you the simple steps on how to clean it. Let's get it. So first things first, what we want to do, we want to turn this bad Larry on. We want to get our heat cranked up to the max, get it nice and hot. We're going to scrape off any residual residue. There's a bunch of chunks and flakes and good Lord knows what else is on there. Saving it for later.
This is a keeper. Oh, yes. You did. Okay, that's just gross.
So we're going to go ahead, we're going to fire up the heat. We're going to hit it with some water, scrape her off, and I'll show you how to treat it. Flame on! All right, so we got the grill fired. We got the Blackstone fired up. It's nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and get her washed off. All right, so it's nice and smoky. All you're gonna do here, guys, just to kind of make sure this guy's nice and clean, we're just gonna get a little bit of water. Make sure that you have your bottles. These are essential when you have a Blackstone. We're just gonna go ahead and spray her down. We're just gonna give her a nice scrape, and then we're gonna re-oil it. All right, so now that we got the initial gunk and grime off there, we're gonna go ahead and spray her down again, but this time we're gonna rub her down with some paper towels and just make sure that we get all of the caked on stuff off, okay? Let me grab some paper towels right quick. So we're gonna spray her down. Doesn't that look delicious? So now that we got the work surface clear and washed down with some water, now we're gonna go ahead and re-season it just with one thin little coat of olive oil. So that way it keeps it preserved, it doesn't rust, and you don't have any bad spots for later on. All right. If you pizza instead of French fry, you're gonna have a bad time. All right, so we're just gonna give her a quick rub down. Try not to burn your hands because this is hot. Don't miss any of the spots, ideally. Get the sides again, get the tops. Ooh, that's hot. So like I said, don't burn yourself. It's hot. So thanks for watching today's episode. I showed you on how to clean the Blackstone griddle. On next week's episode, we're doing the Blackstone griddle kit. Let's get it.
I'm gonna hit record now.
Oh, thanks. We got the pancake griddle kit. Let's get it. What's that called? Breakfast kit. Shit. Okay. Nope. You don't need that you really don't need that every time, I assure you. All right, so woo!